If Temu is showing prices in the wrong currency, or your checkout total looks different from what you expect, it can make shopping confusing and harder to compare deals. In this video, I will show you how to fix currency on Temu app. The first thing you have to do is to go to currency. As you see, you will go to Temu app. You will tap here. In this page of Temu, you will find this sign of profile here, as you see, so you tap here. Then in this page you will click on this sign of settings. You will tap here on settings, and then here in this window you will find this page of currency, and then here in this window of currency you will tap to choose your currency. If you didn't find your currency here, then you have to change your language, and in this way you will find your right currency, or to change your country too. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.